This is a typical math problem which you can identify quite easily from the keywords used. Equal amount of money spent. Right? But the item need not necessarily be money. It can be any other item that is similarly being removed or expended. At the beginning, Akbar and Kasian had $138 and $105. They both spent an equal amount of money at the mall. The amount of money Akbar and Kasian had left was in the ratio 8:5. Question, how much did each spend? Right, so I have drawn here a simple model. You can see that the amount of money spent for both are the same, right? And then after spending the money, the ratio of the money left is 8:5. Right, so let's take a look at the difference between the money left, which is of course 8 minus 5 or 3 units. So what is important to realize in this type of problem is that the difference between the two models is the same, right? Whether it is before spending the money or after spending the money, right? So this is after spending the money. You can see it is 3 units. If I were to remove this, before spending, it is also 3 units, right? So we are going to make use of this fact in solving the problem, right? So at the beginning, the difference between the two is 138 minus 105, as you can see from this model, right? So how much is this? This is actually 33, right? But this is also equal to our 3 units, right? So 1 unit will of course equal to 33 divided by 3, or $11, right? So the question is, how much did each spend? So we know that from the question, this is 105 at the beginning before the spending, right? We can make use of these, or we can make use of Akbar's money, which is 138, to arrive at the answer. I'll show you both, right? So if you were to make use of 105, then the amount spent will be 105 minus 5 times 11, 5 units, right? So this is 105 minus 55 equal to 50, right? But we can also make use of 138 to arrive at the same answer, right? If you were to make use of 138, it will be 138 minus 8 units, which is 8 multiplied by 11, right? So this is 138 minus 88. We arrive at the same answer of 50. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the item did not necessarily be money, right? It can be, say, volume of water, right? So instead of $138, it can be 138 liters in tank A, right? And then $105 can be 105 liters in tank B, right? And then equal amount of money spent may be the same volume of water that is being drained from both tanks A and B, right? The solution to this problem will be exactly the same. So as usual, for your practice, go to the link that is given below, right? Try out the different set of numbers, make sure you can solve by yourself, and then you can check your answer by clicking on this. Okay guys, so thank you for listening and have fun.